Hello everyone and welcome back to Becky Cooks. Today we are going to be making zobo, and first of all we are going to peel up our pineapple. So we are going to be using the peels to boil the zobo, and then we are going to blend up the juice and add it to the zobo at the end of it. So this is so simple and straightforward. So adding pineapple and dates will leave you with the option of either adding extra sugar or not, because it's already tasty as it is with the pineapple and the dates. So this is the dates I'm using. It's called Debino in northern Nigeria. So you deseed it and set it aside. I forgot to soak it earlier, so the hack I did was to pour boiling water over it. I don't know if it's a hack, but I just had to discover it because I was in a fix. So I just poured hot water over it and I allowed it to sit for a while until it was soft enough. So I'm going to blend these two together. And then the zobo, I'm going to rinse it, pick out the dirt, rinse it, and then I'll pour it in my water and go to boil. And I'm going to be using cloves and ginger. I've already rinsed the back of the pineapple thoroughly with salt. So I'm grating the ginger so that the flavor can blend properly into the zobo. So I'm going to add them now into the zobo and allow this to boil. So you let that boil for about 15 minutes, and while it's boiling, I'm over here blending up my pineapple and dates. So you add in that water you used to soak it, because you've already rinsed it before soaking. So after blending very well, you are going to check up on your zobo, and it's almost done. Then you just pour the pineapple mixture inside. And allow this to boil for about 5 minutes, and then you turn off the heat. So you can let this cool for a while, but it was evening and I had to go and do other things, and I have to still do this video, so I just have to strain it immediately. Use the strainer first and it will make everything easier for you. Use the strainer first and then you can use your chiffon cloth. So meanwhile, what I strained from there, I went ahead to boil it again. I added water and I boiled to extract more juice from the zobo. So this way it will be easier for it to go through the chiffon cloth. And just strain it very well and you're done. So now you can let this sit until it's well cool. Let it cool down totally before packing them in your different containers to store in your fridge. This stores well in the fridge and also in the freezer also. So if you have a very good fridge, You can store it in your freezer for at least 2 days without going bad. But preferably, if you know you want to make it in large quantity, just store a large part of it in your freezer. So just add up some ice cubes and then enjoy your zobo. Chilled zobo. Who doesn't love it? I love chilled zobo. I hope you do too. Let me know in the comment section. And let me know what other thing you'll be adding to your zobo, or you like it plain like this. And let me know whether you are going to be adding sugar or you have it like this. So if it's too thick, you can add water to loosen it a bit to your desired texture. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. See you tomorrow.